To set up AWS Amplify S3 integration, start by creating an AWS account and installing the AWS Amplify CLI. Once installed, run the command Amplify init to initialize a new Amplify project. This will create a new directory with the basic structure for an Amplify project. Next, create an S3 bucket in the AWS Management Console or using the AWS CLI. Make sure to note the bucket name and region as you will need this information later. Now, run the command Amplify add storage to add S3 storage to your Amplify project. When prompted, select S3 as the storage option and enter the bucket name and region you created earlier. Amplify will then create the necessary IAM policies and roles to allow your application to access the S3 bucket. Run the command Amplify push to deploy the changes to your AWS account. After deployment, you can use the AWS Amplify SDK in your application to interact with the S3 bucket. You can use the SDK to upload and download files, as well as manage the bucket's access permissions. To use the S3 bucket in your application, import the AWS Amplify SDK and initialize it with your AWS credentials. You can then use the SDK's S3 client to perform operations on the bucket. Best practices for using AWS Amplify S3 integration include using IAM roles and policies to control access to the S3 bucket, and using encryption to protect data stored in the bucket. You should also monitor the bucket's usage and adjust the bucket's configuration as needed to optimize performance and cost. By following these steps, you can easily set up AWS Amplify S3 integration and start using S3 storage in your application. This allows you to take advantage of S3's scalability and reliability, while also leveraging the convenience and ease of use of the AWS Amplify SDK.